Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log into Bank of Ireland mortgage account online. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in this link www.mortgageapplicationservices.ie/dist/roid/login. Press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll directly be able to log into the mortgage hub of Bank of Ireland. All you have to do is enter your email and password over here. So click on the field of email and provide your email address. Make sure to enter the registered email address. Now what you have to do is click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into the mortgage hub of Bank of Ireland and you'll be able to access and manage the mortgages. So that is how you log in Bank of Ireland mortgage account online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.